Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Solarpunk game. So here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Solarpunk game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Solarpunk game and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab. Now first select disable Steam input and then restart the game, because changing requires restart of the game. And then after restarting the game, check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the Solarpunk game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. So if you have the wired controller, then you can connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to restart Steam, restart your PC. So simply close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Solarpunk game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix controller or gamepad not working in Solarpunk game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.